Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Renu and Ganesh. So in this video I'm going to show you guys easy cookies recipe. In case if you wanna try this yummy cookies recipe, then watch the video till the end. So let me show you guys all the required ingredients before we start the video. Butter 1 cup, powdered sugar 1 cup, vanilla essence half teaspoon, maida 1 cup, wheat flour 1 cup, corn flour 2 tablespoons, baking soda 1 teaspoon, choco chips and cocoa powder accordingly. So yeah guys, let's begin the process. First thing is we need to add 1 cup of butter. You can use any sort of butter. It can be salted or unsalted. Also guys, make sure when you're taking the butter, it should be in the room temperature. It should not be completely hard or not completely soft. I am taking half cup of powdered sugar. You can use caster sugar as well. To it, we need to add half cup of brown sugar. In case if you do not have brown sugar, then you can take 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mixing everything in. So yeah guys, at this point you can use a spatula or an electric beater to combine everything well. In case if you are using a spatula, then it will take a longer time. It's better to use an electric beater as it does the job easily. Make sure you combine everything properly, and during the initial stage, make sure the mode of the speed is low. We need to beat the batter until it is double in size and turns completely soft. So this process might take 5 to 10 minutes, so make sure you give your time as it is worth it. So the batter is now ready and you guys can see the batter has doubled in size and the texture also looks soft. Adding few drops of vanilla essence. After adding vanilla essence, mix everything properly once again. To this, I am adding 1 cup of maida, 1 cup of wheat flour, and I am mixing everything properly with spatula itself. Here you are not supposed to use electric beater. To this, I am adding 2 tablespoons of corn flour. So yeah guys, it's 2 tablespoons, not 2 teaspoons. So make sure you add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now that I've added all the dry ingredients, it's time to mix everything properly. I know it's going to be a tough task, but we can do it. Also guys, if you guys have noticed, I'm not using my hand to mix everything. I'm using a spatula over here, as using your hand may generate heat and there are high chances of butter melting. So always use a spatula or a wooden spoon, but not a steel spoon. Also guys, at this stage, you just have to check if the batter is taking shapes or no. In case if the batter is not taking shapes, then you guys can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk or accordingly. And as you guys can see, the batter has taken shape properly over here. Key ingredient of this recipe are the choco chips. Make sure you add plenty of them and do not show your conjuiceness over here. In case if you guys found that the choco chips are less in the batter, then you can add it more. So I found the choco chips to be less in the batter, so I'm adding some more choco chips to it. The last ingredient is to add cocoa powder. Also guys, do not overmix the cocoa powder, as at the end it will give you a cracked cookie effect. Take a small portion, give it a round shape and add few choco chips on the top of it. In this way, make all the cookies and place it on a plate. So yeah guys, you can see the cookies now and the choco chips on the top look so nice. And now that all the cookies are done, it's time to place the cookies in the refrigerator for 5 to 10 minutes. Now that the cookies are in refrigerator, it's time to preheat the oven. Always make sure before baking you have to preheat the oven. After 10 minutes, the cookies are now ready to be baked. Take a baking tray, add a butter paper to it and place all the cookies over it. Make sure to leave space between each cookies. Chalo, let's place the tray in the oven now. So the preheating is done and setting the temperature to 180 degrees and bake it for 12 to 13 minutes. Now let's wait for the cookies. The cookies are now ready, so make sure you do not have them hot. Let the cookies completely cool down and then they are ready to have it. You guys can now see how the cookies have doubled up in size and how delicious they look. The cookies are now cool and are ready to dig in. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Do let me know in the comment section if you guys tried this recipe. Also guys, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until then, bye bye.